Morning, YouTube. Well, today I'm still in the Everglades. I was hanging out for like 3 days because my foot hurt. I needed to rest, so finally get a chance to get out and check things out. Now, if you remember, if you were here with me last year, this was a snack bar, and when the hurricane came through last year, it really just tore it up. And you can see it ripped down the screens side, all on the bottom. I was talking to one of the rangers, and he said that they had about 3 feet of water all through here with the 5-foot storm surge that came through and just went way in. That's where we saw a lot of damage on the way in, and it really tore the place up. They're still working to put it back together, and it will take a while. So the snack bar is gone. Across the way there's a marina, and they had water up inside of there, but they're now selling pops and snacks and stuff. So I guess I'm not going to get a somebody else cooked it meal today, but I'm going to go to a talk on the hurricanes in about an hour. So we'll see you in a little bit. So one of the cool things about down here in Flamingo is there was 2 osprey nests that were very close, and these guys, they got a chick in there. So this one right down at the marina seems to have survived really well. The other one, the whole tree is gone. So I'm thinking that's 2 chicks and Papa. Mama must be out fishing. Okay, I was here last year in January, and on September 10th, Irma came up through, Hurricane Irma, and it had been Category 5 out in the Gulf, but it was a Category 4, but it was huge. I mean, it covered pretty much the whole state of Florida, went right up through the middle. Nobody knew which way it was going to be going. I've got relatives up outside of Tampa. I got relatives on the East Coast, and they didn't know which way to go. Finally, the one on the East Coast headed to the one on the by Tampa, and it turns out that was they were the wrong one. They ended up going to right where it came through. Luckily, they were far enough up in, it didn't do a ton of damage up there. But down here, as you saw in my intro about the visitor center, the restaurant, and all that, they figure it's going to take 3 years to recover. And it jump-started their remodel of the visitor center. They're working on a lot of that right now, so there's no whole lot to see in there. But one interesting thing is that back in Hurricane 1935, they came up through and devastated the Keys and really messed this place up. And then there's another one at 60 that came through and tore up the hotel that used to be here, which was really pretty much a resort. Well, I guess they got a new concession. People are coming in, and they're going to put in cabins and get a lot more of the amenities in here. Going to totally renovate the marina store over there. So I'll be back here next year and see what kind of changes and improvements have been made, and hopefully that we'll get a chance to watch the whole process, and in 3 years we'll see what it looks like then. So anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy my ice cream sandwich, and I'll see you down the road, YouTube. Bye.